Hello guys! Aqui é a Teacher Sofia da SKYLIMIT Idiomas e hoje no vídeo a gente vai ter uma cooking class. Isso mesmo, guys, a gente vai cozinhar e aprender inglês. We are going to make cookies! Do you like cookies? I love cookies. So, what ingredients do we need to make cookies? Let's take a look at the recipe. We need flour, brown sugar, 2 eggs, butter, baking powder, salt, and chocolate, dark chocolate and milk chocolate. We need some objects: a mixer, a bowl, a cup, spoons, a baking dish. Agora, guys, chamem o daddy e a mommy para ajudar vocês e let's go, let's cook! Cut the chocolate in little cubes. Reserve them. In a mixer bowl, put the eggs, sugar, and butter. Mix them until they are uniform. Add the flour, the brown sugar, and a pinch of salt. Mix them until they are uniform like a dough for about 3 minutes. Add the chocolate in the dough and mix it using your hands. Finally, add the baking powder and mix it carefully. Preheat the oven, about 200 degrees. Put some oil in a baking dish. Make little dough balls with a spoon and put them on the baking dish. Put them side to side. Cookies. Put them in the oven. And bake them for 10 minutes. While the cookies are in the oven, help your mom or daddy clean the kitchen. Keep looking to see if the cookies are ready. You can use a fork to see if the dough is fluffy. It's ready! Guys, the cookies are ready. Take them off the oven and help yourselves. We have cookies. Yummy! Guys, did you like the cookies? Thank you very much. Goodbye. Send me pictures of your cookies here or comment things that you like doing, okay? Goodbye.